agit ninyo, Ramoncito Nancy. Kung alang na tumiyari ni Ron, paglampas ng mensahe, akong hangyoon ka mo, nga kanunay na itong appeal sa atong pag-ampo, si Ramoncito, si Nancy.
I promise to love you unconditionally, to respect and honor you, and to always strive to be the best version of myself for you.
I promise to keep this holy union and never take it for granted, knowing that love exists because we make it exist. Love lasts because we choose to make it last.
Nancy, kini si Ramoncito nga niyang karambinhi, dawaton ba nimo siya nga imong bana sumala sa lagda sa atong inahan Santa Iglesia?
Oo, Padre, akong dawaton.
Uyon ka ba nga iyang asawa?
O yun, Padre.
Dawaton mo ba siya nga imong bana?
Oo, Padre, akong dawaton.
I look forward to a lifetime of laughter, love, and growing all together. I love you so much.
Even though the future is uncertain, however, I trust God since in Genesis 45:8 says, "So it was not you who sent me here, but God." Thus, I am here today to celebrate God's greatest gift. It's you and our child soon.
Oh, get you home, never leave you alone, and I will get you home. If I knew
I
before,
promise to keep making that choice, even as we change and grow in those towns, and even when it is a difficult choice to make. Moreover, I vow to cherish, laugh with you, to support and love you unconditionally. Daddy, we love you so much. Wifey and baby.
get you home, never leave you alone, and I will get you. You will see your light if you get too far, if you
kamong sito, higugmaang mga asawa, sina na si maingon nga si Kristo na higugma sa iyang simbahan ug pagpuyo uban kaniya diha sa gugma ug pagkamaunon.